we find gain function. Given the differential equation x square d2 by dx2 plus x du dx plus lambda x square minus 1 u is equal to 0, and condition given that u0 is equal to 0 and u1 is equal to 0. First we dividing by x. Divided by x, now we get x d2u dx2 plus du dx plus lambda xu minus u by x is equal to 0. Then x d2u dx2 plus du dx minus u by x plus lambda xu is equal to 0. This then compare with lu plus lambda rx ux equal to fx, where lu is equal to x d2u dx2 plus du dx minus u by x and rx is equal to x. Rx equal to x and fx equal to 0. First, to find gain function. To find gain function, first lu is equal to 0. Lu x d2u dx2 plus du dx minus u by x equal to 0. Multiplying by x, now we get x square d2u dx2 plus x du dx minus u is equal to 0. It is a homogeneous differential equation. Then x square d2 dx2 in the right form of dd minus 1 plus x du dx du and minus u is equal to 0. On simplify, d square minus 1 u is equal to 0. This auxiliary equation of this differential equation replace d by m. M square minus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to plus minus 1. Then u is equal to c1 e की power z plus c2 e power minus z. When the given equation in homogeneous differential equation, where d is equal to d dz and x is equal to e power z, taking log z is equal to log x. So putting the value of e की power z, e की power x, e power z, e power z is equal to x. So c1 x and e power minus z 1 upon x. Then we construct u1 and u2 satisfy these conditions. u1 x equal to x, where u0 is equal to 0 and u2 x equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Putting u1 u2 1 x equal to 1 to 1 upon 1 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Then a Wronskian w is equal to u1x, determinant of u1x, u2x, u1 dash x, u2 dash x, u1x x and u2x 1 upon x minus 1x, 1 upon x minus x. u1 dash means differentiate with respect to x. x differentiation 1 हो जाएगा and 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square and x minus 1. Multiplying this positive and this negative, minus 1 by x minus x minus 1 by x plus x. X to x cancel out, minus 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 by x. R is equal to minus w p naught xi. Then rx this and w xi, wx this and w xi minus 2 by xi, minus plus 2 by xi. P naught xi, P naught xi, it is the coefficient of the higher order derivative. Higher order derivative d2u dx2, coefficient क्या है x. And in the form of xi, I put x in place of xi. Then xi cancel out. Then r is equal to 2. Now gain function gx xi u1x u2 xi r upon r, comma 0 less than equal to x less than xi u2x u1 xi less than equal to x less than equal to 1 upon r. Putting the value of u1x x, u2 xi 1 upon xi minus j, r value 2, and u2x 1 upon x minus x, u1 xi minus xi by 2. On simplifying, this is the green function.